Oh! Wait lang. Wow! Ngayon ko lang na-experience yun ah.
Mindmaster out! Hi, Mac. Amgo, you're a magician. You're very familiar with all the methodology. This is going to be something new for you. Medyo weird, but
Sige.
I'd rather na gawin ko na lang kasi explain ko ano yung mangyayari. Just go like this.
Okay.
Kailangan very relaxed.
Okay.
Now, I'm not gonna touch you. Now, I'm gonna send some energy to you. I'm gonna channel the energy of the universe. Send it to you. Now, Mac, ever so slightly paghiwalay mo yung kamay mo na ganun.
Slowly.
Start doing this. Did you feel the force?
Yeah.
Huwag mo siyang palakihin. Feel it?
Yeah.
Now, yan yung electrical force, yan yung masculine force. Gawin natin siyang feminine, gawin natin siyang magnetic. Go like this. Para siya nagre-repel. Balik mo ulit. Feel the energy muna. Meron? Tandaan lang. Tandaan lang. Yan. Parang magnet.
Oh.
Stop. Relax. Go like this. Feel sa palm.
Oh! Wait lang.
Sabi nila, seeing is believing. I guess kailangan mo makita. Look at the space between my fingers.
Okay. Whoa!
Spirit. Now, go like this.
Okay.
Tapat mo somewhere na madilim, tapos gawin mo lang na yung ginawa ko.
Yeah.
Ganito.
Ooh. Whoa. Weird. Ang galing ah. Yun na ba yun? Yun na ba yun? Wow! Ngayon ko lang na-experience yun ah. Galing. Oh. Very nice. Very nice. Nakaiba. First time ko yun ah.
Mindmaster out!